Hi, this is Deborah Nana, and I'm reaching out to you on winter solstice, and I hope this finds you doing well. This is a potent day, if you will, the shortest day of the year, the longest night, and many of our traditions that we practice during the holiday season can be traced back to when our ancestors did not know that the earth tilted on its axis, making the sunlight shorter. They felt concerned that maybe the light of the sun was not going to come back. So many of the traditions that we practice now are based on practices that they began long, long ago. For instance, like the lights that we put inside our house, on our tree, and outside around our house, they too lit candles on this day and let them burn through the night. And they would burn a Yule log, which was simply a unique tree they chose to cut down and burn all night long, because they were trying to invite the sun to come back. And I ran into a beautiful story that I'd never heard before called The Legend of the Dear Mother, that was created, we don't know when, but very long ago. And this was a story of a female reindeer who took flight on this longest, darkest night, carrying the light of the sun safely in her antlers. And she flew through the air. She pulled the sleigh of the sun goddess and carried the light of the sun into the new year. And on that night, she was the brightest light in the sky. And as you can see, some of these stories have carried over into our traditions today, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And that her antlers back then were also considered to be the tree of life. And to this day, many indigenous people still celebrate this story. I also want to share with you that I'm going to start a course on intuition in the middle of January. This is a subject I've studied many times and will use it a lot in the work that I do, and would take great joy in sharing with you what I've learned, and we'll be sending more information on that out later. So take care. I hope you guys are well, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday celebration.